I grew up with really extreme myopia. Severe myopia was a contributing factor to me developing cataracts at only 40 years old. When you're in that class of myopia, everything is more expensive. And I could see my daughter progressing the same way that I had progressed.
My mom's vision is very bad. She couldn't see when she was a kid. At my age, she got lost a lot and I couldn't look at the board, I couldn't see the TV, I couldn't play video games, so that was like a really big problem for me.
Our practice is kind of on the forefront of contact lens technology.
MiSight is going very, very well for Vera. Prior to starting the treatment, her prescription had doubled, and since that time, her prescription has only barely changed at all in a period of 2.5 years.
I'm just a big believer that if we can correct something with science, then let's do it. Like, let's make her life better.
When I used to go to the eye doctor, my vision would change a lot, but now, since I have MiSight contacts, they've only been changing just a tiny bit, and sometimes they wouldn't even change at all between appointments.
I mean, it feels amazing. I think she gets up every day, she puts the contact lenses in, she doesn't even think about them. She goes about her day, and she's just a happy, normal kid.